Wait, let me get your microphone.
Testing, testing. Corn rib. Take 1. Action!
Right.
Yeah.
Here on the island on local transport. These veggie patties smell amazing. Oh my god, they're so good. Okay, see ya. Oh man, this is funny. There's pork ribs, there's beef ribs. There seems to be a lot of corn ribs around TikTok and Instagram and all the places. And my friend actually taught me this recipe, Rochelle on the Gold Coast, who's an amazing cook. Hello, Rochelle. And she made these one day and I was like really surprised. Really surprised. Okay, so basically we want to marinate them really quickly. So the first step, 4 corns. If that even makes any sense, 4 corns. Corn ears, I think they're called. Oven on 180, so preheat that. Second step, make the spice mix. I've got 1 teaspoon of smoky paprika. I've got half a teaspoon of cumin powder. I've got 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and I've got 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. And then I'm going to add in just a little bit of chili, not too much, Cynthia, just a sprinkle. So you just mix these together. We need to add salt and pepper to this. That's important. Make sure everything's really well combined. Okay, we need a little bit of maple and a little bit of olive oil. We need to put all this away and we need to cut our corn ears. All right, this is what I'd love you to do. And I hope I do it right. Oh my God, it's hilarious. All right, so get a nice even base there, Cynthia. Don't cut your bloody hand off. Just do this. Okay, and then into quarters. What is that noise? And rinse and repeat. All right, last one, everybody. Okay, so now you're gonna take all the isms off and straight into a bowl. All right. Oil and a splash of maple. It's a bit cheeky, but I kind of thought about it and I thought, yeah, that's what I want. So I've got some olive oil, just a little bit of maple, like a tablespoon, okay, of maple. Not a lot. I need a good splash of this though, so it coats it. Okay, a little bit of maple. And then your spices. Oh my God, that tastes so good. Hey, Lars, can you get me a tray, please? That one, yeah. And I reckon that baking paper as well. Actually, if you could help me do all the things, because we're kind of a bit arsed about taste. Actually, I should have got the tray first. Oh my God, this tastes amazing. So I just want to make sure each one has got some ism on there. Okay, you want to help me?
Yeah.
I might just put yeah, okay. I just need a little bit more oil. Just a little.
Okay.
Wow, see, I only put a little bit of chili, but it really tastes like chili.
Can I taste it?
Yeah, please taste it. What do you think?
good.
It's nice, huh?
Yeah. Yep.
The sweetness. Okay, let's go.
Yeah,
You mix. And I'll make sure it's on, yeah, on that side mainly. That's it. Good job, mate. And you only eat the yellow part, everybody. You don't eat the bone of the corn.
Wee. Okay.
Lick your fingers. That's nice, eh?
Yeah. Sweet.
Sweet,
Yeah.
bit savoury. Oh my God. So good. Into the oven, 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Alright. These are great. You can have a little bit of a smoky sauce, little sweet smoky kind of sauce, little barbecue sauce situation. They're still a bit hot, but I want to eat them. You could have some sour cream, guacamole. I made these after Rochelle taught me at my friends Valerie's and Andrew's place on the Gold Coast in Australia. I really struggled to cut them. And now I know what to do. As you saw, it was pretty gentle. They're delicious. I don't really need a sauce. I mean, you could, but imagine this on a big platter and there's salads and all that deliciousness. And if you wanted that barbecue sauce situation, do it. But really, so much flavour. Yum. Cut, yeah. Come on.